I was walking through the shop at Karl Kustoms and noticed this one and thought about it for a couple weeks and then talked to Karl and he said I should go ahead and buy it. It was traded up from Barrett Jackson auction in Scottsdale. They traded it in and I saw it and had to have it. It was pretty much built, ready to drive. That's one thing about it, it's real easy to drive, so it's already been done, the work's been done already. Been to a couple other car shows, driven it on several out-of-town trips to family events, and so everybody knows me, I'm a truck guy, so they like to see me in it too. I can just drive it to work and people are giving me thumbs up or honking at me. I think something's going on and they just enjoy seeing it, and I like other people. That's kind of the point of the license plate, is for everybody to enjoy. So people like to see it out and about. There's a lot of new cars on the road and I like to drive something old and different. I've always liked the older trucks, especially the square bodies. It's very simple. There is a lot of details in the styling and things that, you know, unless you look close, you just kind of look past them, but there's a lot of details to them, but they're simple compared to the new technology and stuff. They're hands-on, easy to work with too, so I like to clean it up and stand back and look at it. It's kind of keeping it alive. You know, it's 47 years old, so roll the windows down and just enjoy the ride versus just trying to get somewhere fast. I definitely think trucks are the more common vehicle, so you see a lot more of them, and you can use them for a lot of different purposes. So with the bigger cabs and things, you haul more people, and if you need something to haul, call somebody with a truck. I think people just like the feel of a truck, so versus a car, so they're easier to get in and out of too. My name is Jason Shin, and this is my '72 C10.